Mm.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. How is everyone today? Gonna find all our stuff here. We are. Huh. Oh, I've been working on getting new avatar. Um, I just let this thing run overnight. It created a lot of very interesting ones. I did this using the image to image. Just give it a prompt. Some of them came out nice. Some of them are like it's mocking me. But some of them are decent. I like this one, so I set it to that one. My current Twitch avatar. Like this one? Really? Like, okay, guys. This one looks like a vampire to me. The double, double pupil thing, a little creepy. Sometimes they just completely get the mouth messed up. I played around with like the settings a lot last night. I just went crazy with it. Tried just cranking up the how close it had to be to the original art. And sometimes you set it to have. See, these have like almost half image strength. It's cranked up a little. But I found that I liked the kind of cell shading better. So I went with that. These are the dramatic ones. And this, though, they just, that was creepy. These were like the Octane render ones. Yeah, same with up here, I think. Yeah. You can tell it does kind of pick up certain styles. This one here. Like, what is this? It's like very different. Full pages worth. Oh yeah, this one. Oh goodness. What's going on here? I added handsome, and when you add like handsome or hero, you get that sort of that jaw that superheroes have, right? I played around with like stickers, the idea of stickers. At one point, my wife suggested cookies. Let's see if we can find the cookie. Oh, and pixel art. This one came out okay for pixel art. And it kind of looks like pixel art. But yeah, a lot of time just if the strength is too high, it can't do much. So you have to give it enough freedom to draw something. Like what is this? What is this? Am I that old? Do I look that old? Avatar of futures to come. What are the cookies? I want to show you the cookies. Thought they came out okay. Look at this. Handsome man with orange reading glasses. Handsome man with orange reading glasses. I was trying to like improve this, but I think I missed it. Oh, here's the cookies. Cookies came out pretty cool. The cookies. I love these. This one. Oh, it's not opening up. I went to stickers. The stickers came out kind of interesting. Playing around with the settings. I think we're still with stickers. Yeah, orange sticker of man with glasses. Yeah, but it was fun. It's a lot of fun. It's kind of nice that you can just let it sit there. You can just say, oh, go do this, and I'm going to go, like, you know, have dinner or something. Right? So. Oh, and I also did the background. I guess we probably didn't go back far enough in the history. So was it down here? That's right, the background for the office. Where? This one. I think that's the so background on Twitch now. Yeah, handsome man with orange rimmed glasses. Like, why did you give me two? I wanted one handsome man. Okay. Come in here. Am I logged in? Oh, I think I'm logged in. Now let's go to like we got a new little avatar thing. Yep. It's awesome. Try to see the new background. Anyhow, we should get to coding. All right, we got a couple bugs we're gonna fix in Natter today. I'm going to purposely ignore the search engine piece.
correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Game time better come correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. 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 Game time better come correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Game time better come correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Don't involve money, then I don't accept. Game time better come correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Game time better come correct. Game plan at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. 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 Don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Oh, and I've been muted forever. Oh, that's great. Okay. Twitch message parser. the text and the code piece. Let's go to highlight code. Remove the backticks. 0 to that. Okay. The get hover bits are sometimes kind of annoying. Again. All right. Let's try that again. And now we get color highlighting. Okay. When I minimized it. Good job, Halsey. Okay. You know, just dawned on me that the search engine could be modified to be able to download different language samples from GitHub so that we could implement our language detection for this. Right now you have to specify it. It doesn't do a good job guessing. Just default to Rust. And let's check if single quotes work. Boom. List foo equals bar. Yep, that's correct. Okay. What about other, if we don't specify the language? Foo equals bar. Seems reasonable. Okay. Oh, code blocks that are empty. Should we just get rid of those? Somebody does that. Or just not treat it as code. It has a space in there. Maybe that's okay. got a little mousy friend in here somewhere. I live in the forest, so it's not unusual to have wildlife come in. Or come closer. But there's no food in here. And so it must just be the warmth. That sometimes is enough. Yes. Okay. So we fixed a bug. And what's on our to-do list? Let's see. We've actually got a proper project for this. Oh goodness, we've got so many things open. Bastion, you're staying over here. The other emotes, yes. Links. That's right, I wanted clickable links. Oh, we were in the middle of that too. Okay. This committed. Okay. And okay. So now for the links. We want clickable links. Because if we include links, as we have seen... Oh, wait, did we also have emoticons? Custom emotes? We didn't do that yet. There's a bug with ASCII emotes. Or the, like these kinds of emotes. What was that list? I think there was a list of them. Not helpful. Probably find it more easily. What were some of the other emojis? that one. We leave it in the parsers file? Here it is. Oh, you know what? That's not on the list. We support these. So where we are kind of detecting emojis. Set errors, message parser. Here's our emoticon filter. And this one is interesting. It requires at least 2 characters. And we validate it based on the span. So we just start matching pieces of text. And then we check to see, is this in the Twitch list of emoticon spans? This is also why we can't use the range inclusive, because we can't compare it with the other one. The span is just a range. I guess we could convert that to a range inclusive, couldn't we? Here. Whoa. Too far. Oh, we can't, because Chomsky gives us the range. It's not inclusive. We'd have to convert it in here to a new kind of range. I don't really feel like doing that. Okay. Warning does bug me. It really does. Can't give it, can you create a range? You like it? Yeah. Guess what was used to produce that? I spent forever just generating likenesses of images from the Stable Diffusion. I used Diffusion B. Oh, I use the image-to-image piece. Oh, let's see. Is it going to... Come on. Load up. It's loading all the models. Oh, I gave it an image of myself. And then asked it to generate... Oh, here's the image. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's just a picture of me. Big fluffy hair at the top right now, because I still need a haircut. But yeah, I picked this one. No, I picked this one up here on the right. I almost picked this one. But I like the glasses better on this one. I think that helped. But yeah, there's some crazy stuff that came out of this. Some of these I didn't even see yet. Really look at, because I let it run overnight. I just cranked up the settings all the way. Just to go for it. And had it produce 100. The one with the city in the background is interesting. This one's not bad. But yeah, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Part of the reason that I do these streams isn't just to build stuff, it's to get better at Rust and to kind of know Rust. It's like we could just create one. Get rid of that nasty warning. Oh, and why didn't your message show up here? Okay, so we fixed one bug this morning. We could build it. It was a code formatting one with the range. But now we are going to try to... It was either emoticons or links, and I was tending towards getting the emoticons working. The ones... Where is it? It's the end of the file. Ones like this. Where is a comprehensive list of ASCII Twitch emojis? Not ASCII, Twitch art. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, if I have Prime, Twitch settings, Prime Gaming, where you can choose the emote sets, they have a full reference. Ooh, lovely. Okay. I do. Let's see. I'm gaming. Oh, there it is. Okay. You bring that over here. Thank you. And code. There we go. Oh. Let's create a little to-do list. No, 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 no. I need an actual list here. Okay. And instead of... we fixed the other bug. Let's go ahead and build this. So we can have it running. Create a test where we can identify these. How are we going to do this? Yeah, we'll do this and then set up a span for them. Oh dear, oh, that is okay. Come on, VS Code. There's our list. Now, how were we testing these? Actual, expected. Oh, we give it the parse. Okay. Build finished. What is it? No idea what that is. Did it not install? Hey, new emoji or icon. Much nicer. Okay. Compile time string splitting? What? Const. Oh, you found a crate that does it. Oh, funny. Macro-based compile time string splitting to have exactly that. So now we're going to do... going to parse the emote. And we have to give it a slice of emotes to ranges. Okay. Oh, we don't know what the IDs are for that. We can make that up. Okay. In this case, we're going to receive, I don't know, Twitch emotes. Our ID is going to be something. Let's see, emote ID. The range is going to be on length. Okay. Now we need to find all of them. So what's our expected? Oh. Ranges, plural. I think that's it. And we just assert that actual meets expected. And this test should fail. That does need to be a vector. Okay. Can run this test. Okay, perfect. So we got text back. We expected an emoticon. I'll fix it. How do we fix this? Do we just have those emotes baked in? Short circuit it in our message parser? Because the other ones, we don't know what their tokens are, right? But these we do. Ooh, I've been waiting for this. It worked. Thank you for the feature test. Bye-bye. Okay. Because we know exactly what those tokens are, we could absolutely put them in here. And then we're still looking for the code first, then emoticon. So let's just have... Yeah. Oh, and oh, Lardis, thank you for the follow. Thank you. So what, 20 minutes ago now. I think we should absolutely have a separate chunk. I don't think we should change this. I think this is working pretty well. I think we should get rid of this piece of it. Okay. let's have ASCII emoticons as a separate chunk that we can say, hey, this is an emoticon. Maybe you shouldn't try to download it on your 250 gigabyte SSD. Oh, yes. After work yesterday, I spent time because I'm having trouble just. I even installed NixOS, like NixOS, to try to get this working. But the Python community is kind of clinging to, or like the AI Python community is clinging to this thing called, it starts with a C. It's not, Conda. And Conda will not set up on an M1 Mac inside of NixOS. So I can't set up one of those little environments. And I tried it outside, and there were other Python issues trying to get it all set up. I don't know. It was this one. There we go. Just, no, not easy. It's that, and then all of the models, or the trained models, because there's this other thing that's that lets you train models against actual assets. So you could like take a bunch of your likenesses, right, and train it on a phrase. So like Mr. Halsey would be like, and like all these other images. But getting that set up is also hard. So, or if you're trying to download the models, they're also very large, like many gigabytes. So there's a bunch of pre-trained models that you can download on Hugging Face. So ASCII emoticon is what? It is just, and I could just put that list down here now, couldn't I? Start test. Didn't work. I think it'll be just this dot, or just this. Just that. Is out. Creating something of a logo. Yeah, see, I'm in the same boat, right, with that. I'm almost there. A couple more. Okay. Oh, they have a choice thing. Hold on. Which supposedly compiles faster and parses faster, but has worse errors. But we're not using errors. Chomsky? No, forgot to do docs. Chomsky? Okay, there's our docs, Chomsky. Choice is choice. And we give it parsers. Parsers using a tuple of many parsers produce the output of the first to successfully parse. Twofold improvement over a chain of parse or calls. Tracesolver seems to parse. So resolve the parser input for these much faster, significantly reducing compile times. Like a little faster in some... Okay, so parsing's faster in some cases. It's less careful about the routing. So instead of the ors, it could be a choice of these. Be consistent. Try multi-cursor again. Oh, once tuple. Type annotations needed. Okay. Yeah. That's the other thing that I saw. Was that it was using a ton of RAM on this, a video RAM. I think this box has 64 gigs of video RAM, and it was just chewing it up. So we need types here. What is this type? Return strings. Map it to a string? collected. What is the return on this? Just yeah, I think it's tossing the models in there or something. Implemented for stir. That's different. We need, how do we configure that? Go to the docs for choice again. There's T, so choice of T, E, and T, E. Okay. And we're using, is it simple or, yeah, we're using simple. Type annotations needed. Multiple impulse satisfying. Oh, I see. Can we map the result of this to a string? Repeated. Map. Let's just stir. going to comment out most of these. Just test it with one. Interesting. Oh, that's the input. Enter for the type for E, which is a simple char. Okay, fine. Redundant call. Oh, we don't know the emote ID. How do we look those up? I didn't think that through. Come back to Twitch. Where was here? We need to know what these IDs are. So if we look at the image, open image in new tab. That number 1 right there is the ID. All right, so smiley face gets 1. We're not actually mapping it to a string. We need to return a different string. So we'll use our like so. And then it can become an emoticon. Okay, let's just see if that just fixes one iteration of that test. The lunch. Oh, of course. Because of the way that the project is structured. Or failed. No. Okay. ASCII emotes. Oh, yeah, and I was working on the href bits. Empty lang. Yes. Oh, these changed because of the slice change, didn't they? So highlight code. Let's fix these real quick. This needs a space somewhere. Because we do not trim the white space here. Maybe we should. Ooh, should we do that? We do that with that character. So if we're able to find syntax by token, then yes, we trim it. There's less code length or code length +1. Why did I do that? Code.length or language.length. +1. I see. So it's the language length +1, or the length of the code. There was a situation where we could not find. Let's say +1. Again. Okay, yep. Of course it panics. Got more to fail. No, same ones. Look at that. I like code lang, empty lang. That just looks like it was sanitized. Is that correct? Like, which one's right here? So our expected here is an empty string. And our highlight code, the code we're getting back is just says rust, right? In backticks. It doesn't feel right. Using pretty assertions? I haven't tried that. Does it make the tests easier to read? Oh, look at that. Wow. Very nice. Let's try that. There we go. Add dev. Is it hyphenated pretty underscore assertions? Assertions. I like writing snapshot tests using insta-rs. Huh. Alright, so now back to our tests. There. That is nice. I very clearly see that this is much different. See, it should be saying this is source Rust. This is what we're expecting. But it's not finding that. Oh, it autocorrects and no. Okay, that's perfect. Because I'm always going to look again, right? Like, oh, did I get that right? What's the crate name? Hyphen, underscore. So I'm glad it's smart. Or that somebody smart added that. The left in this case was just empty string. Yeah, there's some. Okay, so there's something up with that. Well, I don't want to get too far from the emote thing we were working on. Let's test ASCII emotes. We'll come back to the other broken tests in a bit. Okay. It's no longer emote ID 1. Oh, of course. And we're kind of hard coding this. We could give that a hash map, couldn't we? Construct that. Where is it? Oh, here. You just create a bunch of these, toss them in a tuple, or whatever choice can take. Choice of parser T, where T is iterable, is what? Tuple for tuple. Okay. Don't really. What's this one? Wait, didn't we already have? Oh, that's a function. Okay, and the function goes up to this guy. Pull for tuple. Hmm. Oh, there's some up above too. It's a to do. Oh, that's for to do. Is this only implemented for tuples? Oh, that's a bummer. I want to give it not a tuple. I want to give it something I can construct and it can iterate over. Well, okay. Let's get it working. How often does Twitch change these? I expect Twitch to be creating emotes in other ways, but who knows? I think this is going to work. Let's get this one test working and then IDs 1. We could do intuiter dot enumerate. And this would be emote IDs 1. No, that's okay. Oh, index. It still failed. Oh goodness, I put that in the wrong spot. That should have been here. Is that, it doesn't, we're not using this. In fact, this could have been an empty array, couldn't it? That could have been empty. URL is considered malware? No, I didn't see that. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's funny. Which Mastodon instance? Right? All of them? How does it? I don't know. Did expect? Sure. And now we got the second one. Perfect. Oh, Hacky blocked. Probably went and blocked all featured instances. Oh, that's funny. It's funny because that's also on my well, it's interesting because it's two different billionaires, right? Because Twitch is Amazon, isn't it? Oh, Twitter. I thought I read that as Twitch. Twitter is blocking. Oh, okay. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. I've had a Twitter account for a long time. And some people in my tech circle follow me on Twitter. But I actually prefer my Mastodon account, mostly because it's not associated with my tech circle. Like it's other people I know. I know my Twitter is too closely related to my LinkedIn, so I never use it. Did I miss a, I got this message deleted, okay. Can't you just use like a URL shortener to get around it? Like, do they follow the links in a URL shortener? I mean, Twitter might. Okay, so underscore. Yep. And we need to get the IDs for the rest of these. Okay, so this one happens to be. Oh, I need some. I didn't add markers for these. Let's add some marks here. Yeah, that's A. And this is B. Let's go to A. Just set your domain field to the domains, and all were blocked with a scary malware message. There's like a ton of little URL shorteners, and you could probably check that or we can make our own, right? Little URL shortener that blocks the stuff like that. So it sees the user agent coming in, gives like a Microsoft.com or a Rickroll, right, back to the checker, but then lets everything else through. Okay, sad face emoji. Okay. Let's just that's number 2. And what's this one? Tab, is this 3? It's 3. Right. Uh-oh. Close my Twitch thing. Or, you know, it's going to get really predictable, and then the one time I don't check, it's going to get me, right? Oh, did it again. Oh, because this... Oh, I see. That's what's going on. I keep switching back over here. Oh, we already did 4. We're doing a grumpy... Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Oh, we're looking at the pipe guy. That is 5. Yeah. Oh, that'll be interesting. That will be interesting. Oh. Wait a sec. Did we? Okay, smile, frown. Smile, frown. Happy, grumpy. Happy, grumpy. Pipe. Okay, then we have... Did I have those doubled up? Hmm. Six. Haven't caught your instance yet. Oh. Paste. Glasses, dude. 7. Who would have thought? Glasses, dude, gone. Like to be optimistic. We're gonna say this one's 8. It is 8. Okay. Oh, the heart one. Heart emoji. What is heart emoji? 9? Slash. I have to use more of these. I don't use many of these. Okay. Oh, did I get that wrong? No, that should be an RP. Colon P. P. R. Smiley. Okay. That's the rest of them. Okay, but for the slash, let's get their numbers. A new tab. New tab. New tab. Okay. N is the slash guy. 11. Oh, that looks right. 13. 14. All right, little pirate dude. Now let's see if our test pass. Two. Oh dear. Okay, so parser. It kind of sucks the way to do that. There's probably I could stamp that out in a macro. Well, it's there. For the test, though, I think we'll just convert the index +1 to a number. Test is working. Perfect. Well, that's good. Get UI. Look at this. Beautiful. Pretty assertions. And it's just a dev dependency. Yes. You can use that. Did we have a ASCII emotes? No. Now for this stuff. href, that's because we haven't tested that yet. Let's work on highlight tests. All right. Why are we getting text plain for this now? Is it because of that last change I made to it? Maybe. With that +1, -1. Okay, that's in Twitch message. But why is it? I like code. Okay. We're just seeing the code fall through, right? I did add up like this +1 here. I don't think that would change it. No. Okay. Oh, go on, get back there. Oh, no, no, this is supposed to get past the language length. Yeah, I tried to get... Okay. Was it just not finding the syntax by token? Okay, let's add some logging here. Or some debugging. PG code. Potential lang. Let's see if those are correct first. Code. Looks like code. Oh, we got a backtick here. No wonder it's not finding it. Potential lang. Yes, then this was the other thing we fixed earlier, because we did a +1, -1 on the code, didn't we? Did we do it at the wrong spot, I wonder? Yeah, 1 hour ago. Code trimmed too much. Going to from 1 to 1. Is it different for the triple back? It is different for the triple backtick. Triple backtick, we don't get that. So for the code fence, here we get hello, code, right? But what about the single? Single should be the same way. Why? Oh, because this isn't accurate for what we return. This test is wrong. We need everything inside the code. So we're just calling highlight code as if we already received code. Now in this case, it was parsed out and just the contents are being passed in. Okay. So our tests were wrong. And now they work. Broken tests. Lovely. Okay. Let's get rid of those. Okay. How do I want to shorten the ASCII handling code with macros? I was thinking about it. Yeah, I would like to do that, but where is it? I mean, do it. Well, what do we do? Just give it a the list of emoticons and have it count them out? I don't think it's actually worth the time. It would be fun to get into macros again, but now might not be the right time. Version of the choice into macros. Yeah. Oh, macros. Da, da. We have here, we have Ren, emotes colon literal, emote. So we're naming the literal emote, right? Then we have a value literal. How do we make this prettier? I can have a trailing comma here. Is our variable? Emote map. Let's go use that. Back to there. We need to break this down into that format. Can't do that. Yeah, that's consistent. This should be on this line. So in this case, we're matching left paren. So we have emote. Oh, that's a grouping, isn't it? Because we're not actually matching that. Emote literal to value literal. Followed by a comma. Optional. What's with this back here? So we have an optional grouping on an extra comma? Rest. Taking that, placing that in, value. I'm going to change this to maybe like, I don't know, can we use identifier or no, value is probably just fine. Trailing comma at the very end. I thought it was allowed if we just had that, right? Because of the star on the comma. Oops. I didn't know we needed, oh goodness, what's going on? Didn't think we needed this section. I like trailing commas too, but it's those last 5 characters starting at the $sign that got me. I thought the trailing comma was this piece here. And the star made it optional. The very last record isn't allowed to have a trail. Oh, wow. I want to try that. So this, we have a trailing comma right now. So without that section, huh? Wow. It lets us have a trailing comma. Yeah. And it makes it easy to reorder. Right? So if you're refactoring, or like I do, on my little OCG binges, I like to sort things. And so when I sort things, if that last one gets bumped up, then I have to go and find the comma and add it and then remove it from the last piece. So it's definitely a nice touch. That does make it look much more manageable. Now let's get those URLs working. As we've seen through the hackathon, y'all were sharing URLs with me, but they were getting butchered. So I had to keep going to the other client in order to be able to use them. Pour some tea. Looking forward to the weekend. Got my kid's birthday. That means cake. Looking forward to cake. And the birthday. Oh. Oh, wow, that's like up to the top. Okay, done with that tab. Let's go here. Support ASCII emotes. Oh, and BTTV emotes. Cached users. Animal emotes, okay. What are FFZ? What is this? Franker faces? Change log, okay. Okay. What's our setting? Fetch, security fetch mode, navigate. TV. The emote platform for all. Okay. Emotes. Now, is it... Let me set this up on the other computer. And in Mr. Halsey. After clicking authorize, you will be redirected to 7tv.io, a website not owned or operated by Twitch. It will allow them to read my email address and email verification status. Okay, fine. There we go. 300 emote slots. That's why you like it. Oh, nice. I use like 10, maybe. Dark theme, inbox, language. Okay, now what do we do? Got emotes. Click here. Link accounts. Mr. Halsey does not have any emotes on their Twitter channel. Twitch channel. I got Twitter in my head now with the whole banning Mastodon stuff. Okay. Now, migrate to... Oh, let's do that. Yeah. I don't have a set. Do I need to create a set? There's nothing there. Okay, let's just start. Can I click start? That doesn't do anything. Okay. No mode set. Mode set name. BTTV. Create a mode set. Yay. Alright. Migrate. Toss them in that bucket. It's not doing anything. Click the button. It's a no-go. Just trying to get that assigned to channel and rename it. There changes. All right. Oh. So then how do I add 7TV to my Twitch channel? I feel like I missed some instructions here. Browser extensions. Oh, am I running an extension for this? I am. Actually, am I? No, I'm not. Not on that computer. Just in this embedded thing. Firefox extension. Is this the right one? By Anatole. Only like 141,000 users. Yeah, what about the Chrome extension? 1 million plus users. Wow. Interesting. All right. Download Firefox and get the extension? I'm in. You need Firefox. Oh, I'm in. This is a Chrome. Okay. I understand now. Thank you. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Some days are harder than others. So. It's also on YouTube. Okay. Sure. Yes. Add it to my YouTube as well, please. Okay, now the Firefox one. Not actively monitored for security by Mozilla. Make sure you trust it before installing. Add to Firefox. There we go. Yep. That'll let us. Oh, sure. Same answer. Yes. Okay. So now we've got two sets. Now, do they have a better API? I think that's really what I want to know. Right? Because we probably want to support the set of APIs. And if thinking about this, because we could support like 7TV and Better TV. Better TV is not interested in having an API, right? But as a developer, I'm interested in using something that has a decent API. Docs. See, that's the other thing we need to fix is the hyperlinking. Oh, look at that. Search emote set. Get emote set. User connection. Query for a user's connected account and its attached emote set. Looks like this one. Now, while this isn't like great documentation, at least it's documentation. What is connection.platform supposed to be and the connection ID? Where do we get that? A connection. Users. Okay, so dev portal. Search user, search for users. Emote by ID, get user. All right, let's see what happens when we get a user. And is it just supposed to be /users/blah? Because here, in Chrome, /users/blah is the full thing. Do we need to say we want something else? Is there like a API.blah? Like where is it? Oh, it's 7tv.io/v3. Okay. There we go. Got it. Thank you. Emote ID set, null emote set. View page source. Oh. I was hoping for like JSON. Oh. See, so we'll have to go through a couple of requests, right? We'd have to either search users or get user if somebody could give us their ID. What can we do with search emote sets? What are the valid query params on that? You can get the emotes of a user like this. Twitch user ID. Oh. Oh, the connection ID. Oh, of course. Okay. So we could just do this automatically. Somebody wouldn't have to have it set up. Now, Twitch user ID, is that their name or their actual Twitch ID? I think I have the ID, so it would be okay. Okay. Their actual ID. Okay, their UUID string or whatever it is in Twitch now. What's the numeric string? That was hot. Are those you uploaded, Glitch? Get back. I gotta go find something down on the floor. Not seeing the charger for my watch. Ooh, that's gonna bug me. It was on the floor. Found it. Need a better place for it. $100 and you can't buy extra. Okay. But you can DM the admins if you want more. Do you have connections with these admins? Are you the admins? All right. Go to the code and figure out where we are going to stuff this. Okay. Yes. Yes, that is absolutely. Oh, Rocker Boot, you have created a monster. The new icon, the new page background, all sorts of stuff, right? Like the this guy here. Hey, remember that? Look at this. I was doing image to image. Oops, wrong. Went to the wrong screen. I just took a picture of myself and said, oh, what, line art, handsome man with orange glasses, go. Something like that. Actually, what was it? The prompt is up here. Man wearing orange square glasses, short beard, cartoon, line art, black and white. It didn't really get the black and white part. And then played around a lot with like the image strength. You get it up too high where it's looking too much at the source image, and it doesn't give you very much, or it doesn't have much freedom to create something. So there's definitely some art in finding that balance. And I can imagine having command line access would make it easier, because the sliders are sometimes hard to use. Some of these I like. Some are like creepy. And if you look too closely at them, then it's no good. You can kind of tell what my image started as. Yep. Yeah, went way too long on that yesterday. So feedback the created image too. All right. Just keep tuning it. Huh. Yes. Oh, ha. Made some images yourself about steampunk garages. That looks cool. Look at all the copper in that. Yeah, with the skylight. Yeah, of course. That looks cool. Floor looks uneven. Either that or the steam tanks. Yep. Very nice. Very nice. And I think I had a OBS. This one. I generated this one for when my channel's offline, the banner at the top of Twitch. I think it was black and white image, something about an office of an elite hacker, messy or something like that, right? And this it came up with something in the middle here, and then I just kept expanding it out until it was large enough for that Twitch banner. fun. What was this one? Gallery. Oh yeah. This one, I like that one too. So we were trying to make stickers for a while. Came out pretty good. You got this. Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks nice. It's cool. All right, so we need to make a request to see if they have this set up. Ooh, where's the code? Here's the code. Let's go back into main. When would we do this? After we get the... Oh, fetch emoticons. We don't need this anymore. I should just delete that. It's taking up space. On. Authenticate Twitch Helix. All right. Fetch user data, not used. Fetch me, okay. What's fetch me called? That dispatches a me loaded event. And when we get a me loaded event, what do? We connect to Twitch. Is that for the IRC? Yes. We could also... Okay, and that spawns something. It's not blocking. Good. Oh, what was it? 7B... No, 7TV.io. 7TV emotes. And for this, we need... user data dot ID. What are we going to do when we get that? Right? Probably dispatch like emotes loaded or something, because we'll want some generic way to add emotes. Probably similar to how Twitch is doing it, where well, not similar to how Twitch is doing it. We will not be using the same format. We're not getting it from the same place. So what do we need? We need whatever the token is and the URL. And then we'll have to have a separate UI system for managing them, because the current one for the emotes is very specific to how Twitch manages them. To await that or just fire it off? Look, yo. Oh wait, are we using... What are we using for spawning? Tauri, async runtime, spawn. Oops. Do something, and then we dispatch something. And what are we going to do in this case? We're going to fetch from... Huh. What are we using to fetch? Fetch me. Oh, we're using... We're using the one built into Tauri. Okay. Let's just use our fetch function. Do we have to, like, authenticate it all? Or can you just... Anybody can just grab this info. What's the URL? Okay, cool. Oh, I want the body, which is what? Oh, the method. This is again. It's unauthenticated. Wow. Headers. Option. Option. Wait, await that. Toss any errors. Okay. Thinking about, should we have spawned this new task, or should we have simply added to the event handler, right? Made this an async function because of the error. Right? Here we're going to end up returning some sort of join handle, and that other thing's not going to use it. What do? Because we handle our own events, our own errors. Good morning. My wife brought me some coffee. Thank you. Nice and hot. Oh, which bag is this? Okay. All right. Yeah, what do we do here? Just ignore it. And let's at least match that. We could log it at least. Okay. Match that. Fill match arms. Okay. Let's say we get something back. Response. What do we do? Don't know. So we get an error. What do? We log it. Oh, we need the handle. Where do we get that? Connect handle. What was it called? Oh. We need to be able to parse that data and then toss an event with it. Right. Now this event, we're not going to save it locally. We're going to send it to the UI. Oh no. No, we need to save it locally. Because the message parsing needs it. So we need some emote state. As the message parser receives Twitch emotes, right? We need it to receive other emotes. Name these emotes. Emotester. Where are we going to get the other data for this? Private message isn't going to have this information. So we might need to convert this from a from into some more explicit function call where we can pass more information. here. Because at this point, we have the app handle. We could get the state that we need from that and pass it in as well. Okay. Oh, I gotta go soon. Okay, okay. All the pieces are lining up. Back to this. Events. We need a new event. Construct. What do we want to call this? External emotes loaded. Emotes. External emotes. I don't know what this will look like yet. Oh, there was a... You had a link. Copy it. We could inspect this. So it has information about the user, ID, platform, username. So we need to be able to deserialize this. Data. Oh my goodness. Avatar URL. Oh, that's for the owner. Host. Files. Wow, this is... Oh, different formats? What they have WebP. And sizes. Okay, so there's sizes, formats. Huh. Animated false. Post. Files. Interesting. Okay. So we need a structure to support this. Set user. We have to convert it to external emotes, which will be some concise set of like some unified format. I don't know. It's either that or we customize the emotes on the front end for both, like Better TV and 7TV. I still plan on adding the Better TV emotes. I'm doing this one first because I like the API better. It exists. Right. 7 Seven TV. And we can't start it with a... Yeah, I expected a name. Well, it's 7 TV. 7 TV. Emotes. There we go. ID. This is our Twitch ID, right? And most of this 7. Comma on those. A little less anger from the computer. ID. Let's just get some stuff here. String. Platform. String. Username. Linked at. This looks like, can we say U64? Emote capacity. Who cares? Well, use size, emote capacity, use size as well. Emote ID set. So this is an option to something, and I'm not sure. Use size? Emote set. Okay, and user. I64, U64. Yeah. Emote capacity. I don't know. It's going to be something small. 32. What if it was unlimited? Let's do I32. They gave us a -1 saying, go for it, anything. Right? Emote set ID. I don't know. This was null. I wonder what that means. What's my number? No. Option to something. I don't know what it is though. Don't need all of this, so start.rs. How do we get it to say we don't care? Using derive. So I don't want it to bail because it got an extra field. It doesn't care about extra fields. Perfect. I think there was an option. So I'm remembering an option which would make it scream if, well, error, if it didn't have it. I don't know where that is, but in this case, we just care about emote set, struct, 7TV, emote set. Anyways. Okay, and what is in that? Here. Has an owner object. Emote set owner. Oh, I don't have any emotes. That's what's happening. Back to yours. Emote set has emotes in it. Okay. Vector of 7 TV emote. And what's inside of that? Okay, so we care about the name. Life cycle 3, interesting. Oh, and this is about the person that made the emote, and you added it to your collection, I see. Frame counts, wow. I like that they give us the width and height of it. 96, 64. What can we do with AVIF? HEVC for compression. Interesting. Wow. All right. Oh, it's already default annotation. Why would we want that? Only allowed on structs, okay. Oh, because of the vector. It might be an empty vector. Yes. That means we also need default. This one, I think it will always have that, so we don't need default on. No, but I gotta run. Twitch. Gotta do the whole day job thing, so let's get into that. I like the emote idea though. That's badly supported on Safari. WebP, because Tauri uses your native web. Ah, I see. Good idea. Making a programming language in one day? Oh, wow. Let's try that. Till next time. Bye-bye.